Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be about the backup camera with the BMW. Alright, so I'm going to talk about how accurate are they as far as the guidance and the trajectory lines. I mean, we see the guidance lines with the green, the trajectory with the red. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so I'm going to back up here. I'm going to put my green line was where the car is actually going to go, is the green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up and I'm going to see where the car is going to glow. Let's see if it goes to where it says it's going to go. Okay, did that. Now I'm going to do another test. I'm going to see where I get to the point where I'm going to put it to where I'm going to back up to where the red line is going to be in the way. So the red line shows, the green line shows where the car is going to track, where depending on my steering angle is where the car is going to go, end up. My red lines are going to show depending on how sharp I turn my wheel. So this is the maximum distance I can achieve if I turn the wheel all the way to the left or right. If that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna back up to the driveway like this. Put the red line towards the edge of the driveway. And now I'm gonna crank the wheel all the way over. And let's see if I can achieve that without the wheel falling off the driveway, because in theory it says I should make it. Okay, that worked. Since we're here, let's test the accuracy of the sonar. So you get different markers depending on different sounds, depending on how close you're getting. Once you're within, I believe it's 10 inches, you'll get a solid tone. So let's try that right now. Let's see, it'll hit my camera. Stop it here. Let's take a look. Okay. Might be a little bit more than a 10. Let's try a different. I'm gonna try this against the actual car. Let's see how accurate that is. I'm just gonna go until I hear something solid, as doing just backing up out of a driveway. Hope I don't hit Lex's car this process. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Now, some vehicles have front cameras, or sorry, top-down camera. Let's try the top-down. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to press the PDC button, press it again. Okay, now I'm in top-down view. You can see I have the, again, guidance lines and trajectory markers. It's saying if I turn here, my car should be facing towards that bush. But let's try something else different. Let's look at it from a different angle. It shows you where your front tires are going to end up. So if I don't want it to fall off the driveway, I better start cranking it now. And that looks to be exactly where it told me it was going to end up. Obviously adjust itself based on your wheel. If I keep going around, I would just keep around in this continuous circle. But the fact that now I can change it and kind of put myself where I want the vehicle to go, and I can make my adjustments that way. Let's see, straighten yourself out. All right, everyone, if you found the video helpful, give me a thumbs up. It's a short video. I just was curious to see how accurate the trajectory lines are and the guidance lines, and also the parking sensors. I mean, we always hear them, we always see it, but do we really put trust in it? Obviously use your own judgment when it comes to these things, but I think they could be helpful when you're negotiating in the parking lot, and also curb. I mean, nobody wants to curb the wheels. So having those 360 cameras and knowing how close you are to the curb, and knowing, hey, if your wheel goes the direction, you may hit the curb. So I put it to the test. Like I said, I've had some other cars that felt the camera was a little off, and I just thought I'd put BMW to the test. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.